You might be paying hundreds, even thousands of dollars more than you should for your car insurance every year. That's right. And the worst part? A lot of people don't even realize it. The auto insurance world has changed a lot over the last few years. But here's the good news. You can stay ahead of those changes, protect your family, and save money in the process. If you own a car, drive regularly, and pay monthly premiums, this video is made for you. In 2025, car insurance isn't what it used to be. With advances in vehicle technology, like sensors, cameras, and driver systems, repair costs have gone up significantly. That means if you're just renewing your policy every year without shopping around, you could be underinsured or simply overpaying for outdated coverage. Many people stick with the same insurance company for years, thinking they're being loyal. But the truth is, some insurers raise prices over time for long-term customers. So if you never look elsewhere, you're leaving money on the table. Here are 7 clear signs that it's time to rethink your car insurance. First, you've never compared prices. Staying with the same insurer for years could cost you big. Second, you don't really understand what's covered. If you're not sure what your limits are, or what's actually included in your policy, it's time to dig deeper. Third, you have a newer or recent model car. Modern vehicles require different coverage because repairs are more complex and expensive. Fourth, you've driven less this year. Some companies offer discounts for low mileage, especially if you work from home or rarely travel far. Fifth, you have a good credit score. Many states your credit history affects your premium. Sixth, you have kids in school or belong to a group. Discounts for good students or affiliations can make a real difference. And finally, you've never asked about discounts. Sometimes all it takes is a simple question to find out you could be paying less. Let's get serious for a moment. Do you really know what you're paying for? Do you have liability coverage? What are the limits? If you're involved in a major accident, would you be protected financially? What about collision and comprehensive coverage? If someone hits you and doesn't have insurance, are you covered? Are your personal assets protected? These may seem like basic questions, but many drivers know the answers. And that becomes a problem when something goes wrong. Don't fall into the trap of choosing only the minimum required by law. A major accident can cost you a fortune, and if you're underinsured, you'll be paying out of pocket. So how do you find the best deal? Start by understanding your needs. What's your car worth? How many miles do you drive each year? Who else drives the car? What's your risk profile? You then get quotes from at least 3 different sources, directly from major insurers, through independent agents, and using online comparison tools. But here's the key. Always compare the exact same coverages, limits, and deductibles. Otherwise, you're not comparing apples to apples. Ask for help if needed. A good agent can explain everything clearly and help you build a plan that makes sense for you. Here's something most people don't know. There are dozens of discounts available. Having an alarm system in your car can give you a discount. Participating in usage-based programs where your driving habits are monitored can also lower your rate. Students with good grades often qualify for discounts. Bundling your car insurance with your home or renter's insurance can save you up to 20%. And let's not forget, driving safely, maintaining a clean record, and avoiding traffic tickets is one of the best ways to keep your insurance affordable. Never be afraid to ask. Ask your agent or check online for any discounts you might qualify for. Just asking can sometimes save you hundreds of dollars a year. At the end of the day, the goal is simple: full protection at the lowest possible cost. Review your insurance annually, compare prices, update your coverage as your life changes, and never settle for the first quote you see. And most importantly, wait until it's too late to find out your policy dose, and cover what you thought it did. A good insurance policy isn't just about protection. It is about peace of mind and smart savings. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone who drives, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another tip like this. See you next time.